never see the people we could be. And they look at us like we can never change. Voices of a north in the cold wind blow.
Shadows in the night, but the stars still glow. If I fall tonight, let the whole world know.
Calling me home where the old gods stand, through the storm and the blood red sand. The sky falls down and the rivers run slow. Hear my name in the winter snow.
Steel in the hand when the long ships sail, cold in the lungs when the night winds wail. Came from the frost where the brave don't fail. Every scar got a story to tell. Drums in the dark when the war horns cry. Storm in the chest like the northern sky. If I walk through fire, I don't ask why. Kings rise once, but the legends never die. I don't run when the thunder crack. Stand my ground when the wolves attack. Whole world cold, but I build like stone. If the crown fall down, I'll take that throne.
Calling me home through the fire and snow. Voices of a north in the cold wind blow.
В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота. Where do I run now? Lost in your silence somehow. Every night I feel it again, hiding tears I never show. I keep calling out your name, even knowing it's in vain. Oh love, your heart is pain, driving me insane again. Beautiful and breaking me, why won't you set me free? Oh love, I'm stuck in between what was real and what could be. Every scar you left behind. Takkan pernah berpisah baur dalam cinta.